ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமக. ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமக. தசகம் 39, ஸ்லோகா 5. ததோ பவதுபாசகோ ஜடிதி மிருத்யுபாஷாதிவ பிரமுச்யதரசைவ சா சமதிரூடரூபாந்தரா அதஸ்தலமஜக்முஷி விகசதஷ்டபாஹுஸ்புரன் மகாயுதமஹோ கதா கில விஹாய சாதித்யுதே. Word by word meaning. Tataha, then. Mrityupashat, from the noose of Yama. Bhavadupasakaha jhatiti iva, as thy devotee quickly escapes. Sa, she, that is Yogamaya. Pramuchya, slipping out from Kamsa's hands. Tarasa eva, immediately. Samadhiruda Rupantara, it splits as Samadhirudham, that is assumed. Rupantaram, that is another form, having taken on another form. Adasthalam, below, to the earth. Ajagmushi, not going. Vikasadashta bahuspuran mahayudam, it splits as Vikasatsu ashtasu bahushu spuranti mahanti ayudani yasmin, that is, with divine weapons shining in the 8 arms which appeared. Vihayasa, meaning towards the sky. Gata, going. Didyute kila, meaning did shine, indeed. Aho, what a wonder. Full meaning. Then, just as thy devotee quickly escapes from the noose of Yama, that is, from the cycle of birth and death, Yogamaya slipped out from Kamsa's hands immediately and, assuming another form, went up in the sky without going down and shone with divine weapons in her 8 hands which appeared. What a wonder. Om Tat Sat.